Guys, this is a big win for SSS pensioners kasi starting September 2025, meron ng increase sa SSS pensions. And guys this is the biggest SSS pension increase ever. So all SSS pensioners will get a yearly increase of 10% for 3 years. Yan in the next 3 years. Okay guys, so every year siya mag-i-increase, diba? 10%. So September 2025, for you to be qualified that pensioner ka as of August 31, 2025. 10% increase para sa retirement and disability pensioners, 5% naman increase para sa death or survivor pensioners. Now, every single year mangyayari yan for the next 3 years. So September 2025, September 2026, September 2027. Now, ang ganda nitong table na to kasi just say 8,000 yung nakukuha ni Lolo June, 'di ba? This year magiging 8,800 siya. Next year dahil may 10% ulit siya, plus 880 siya, 9,680 makukuha ni Lolo June. And then sa September 2027, 'di ba? 9,680 plus 10% nun, plus 968 siya, magiging 10,648. So guys, blow up ko rin yung table from the official